when the sweet air turns bitter and the leaf falls from the twigs and the birds change their language. Here I sigh and sing because of him, because of love who keeps me ensnared in court, whereas I never had him in my power. Alas, I haven't gained of love but the torment and pain, for nothing is as hard to gain as that which I am seeking, nor any longing affects me as that for what I cannot have. I rejoice because of a pearl so fine that I never loved anything as much. When I am with her, I am so astonished that I don't dare vouch my desire. And when I part, it seems to me that I lose all my sense and my learning. The fairest woman one has ever seen compared to her isn't worth a glove. When the entire world turns to darkness, light shines from the place she rests. I shall pray God that I may touch her one day, or that I may see her go to bed. Awake or asleep I quiver and am all startled and shaken because of my love for her. I am so afraid of dying that I don't dare think how to entreat her. But I shall serve her 2 or 3 years, and then maybe she'll learn the truth. I don't die nor live nor heal, nor do I feel my malaise, although it's serious, for I am not parted from her love, and I don't know whether I'll have it nor when. For in her is all the grace that can raise me or cast me down. It pleases me when she drives me insane and makes me muse and gape in stupor. It pleases me when she abuses me and makes fun of me behind my back or to my face. For after the ill, the good will come soon, if her fancy turns that way. If she doesn't want me, I wish I had died the day she took me in her service. Alas, she murdered me so sweetly when she seemed to love me, for she has gripped me so that I don't want to see any other woman. Although worried, I rejoice, for although I shun or blandish her, for her sake I shall be false or faithful, or righteous or full of guile, or a complete scoundrel, or a complete gentleman, or agitated or peaceful. But whoever may like it or grieve it, she can retain me if she wants. Cercamon says he is hardly courteous who despairs of love.